Yeah, new edition. Thanks to this man right here helping me.
What's up, man?
Back then, I was talking like they said he got some plans to do this and that. But then y'all want to copy me and do it.
New additions to the channel, how to do it. Another one. New truck. For the new truck. Oh, you don't want to show your face? Arrma tough? Not so tough. Yeah, dude. Yep, so we had to get it. Your boy DaVerse back again with another video, and you guys know exactly who this is. The familiar one that was in Sam's with me. The one that said she likes seafood but doesn't like the smell. Yeah, this her. So yeah, it's your boy DaVerse back again with another video unboxing. It's been a long time since I've actually even been on here. I've been working a lot, and new truck as well as another new truck, and yeah, that's gonna be for a whole another video that I'll go ahead and explain in. But anyways, enough yip yap and show y'all what we got for this one. So we have the Kraton 6S BLX, but before we show that, she's zesty with it. Okay, so I went ahead and I didn't have to go and buy because I already have this. I had two 4S Gensace 120C batteries, and I sold those because I didn't need them. I'm running 6S, so I went ahead and I still had my other one right here, this battery right here that she's going to show you guys, because she is awesome. So we got the Gensace right here, the 6800, the 120C, straight 6S, you know, she show you what it is. And then also we got the smart charger right here from Amazon. Hold on, she has to put it all back up. Let her go ahead and do the honors of opening this smart charger I got right here. I had another previous one, but had to send it back, got the refund, and it was just, yeah, no thanks. I haven't even opened this. Let's see if it's the right one. All right, got the Gensace D300. Let's see if she knows how to open it. I'm gonna let her do the honors of opening this because I gotta be the camera guy. Okay, she slid it. And she gave it a cost, so she already infected the charger real fast. Okay, we got the charger inside of there. What's in the other box? Hopefully all the cords. Go ahead, you did the honors, open it. So she opened it to show y'all, and she's ready to close it before really showing y'all. All right, a little struggle going on. Let's see what's up in her. Oh, okay, so they gave, okay, cool, they gave all the connections. All right, IC3s, are they IC3 connections? No, I think those are 5. Your boy doesn't know, it's been so long since I've done videos. Let me see, I think that's the, okay, so they got all the connections, all the plugs that you need. Okay, the EC5s, okay, yeah, EC5, EC3, the other crappy ones that I don't use, but, ooh, COVID. Yep, Trump president. Here comes those stimmy checks. Psych, is not happening. All right, so we'll go ahead and put all that all aside. You don't have to worry about needing this. You can just push it off to the side. We want to get to the meat and potatoes of this. I know everybody has done unboxings of this already, but you guys know how I do my unboxing, so let me just get right into it. All right, cut the box. Oh. Box top off.
This big.
All right, so we got the wheels right here. Go ahead and show them the wheels, what they look like. This is a special unboxing. All right, we have the, I have no idea what kind of wheels they are, but they are just the wheels that come with it. You know, like I said.
Bus.
So they wheels on the bus. What they do?
Go round and round.
She had to think about it. All right, then we also have, what is that? Take it off and read it. What does Arrma give?
stuck there.
Just pull it. Don't be scared. It's just Arrma. It's Arrma tough. See, even when I tell her just to pull it, she's still very careful. I was gonna say she's like little rascals reading upside down. We gotta learn to read. So what is it?
A card.
Is it a credit card?
I wish.
Me too. So it's Arrma support card. If you have any questions, concerns, anything that needs repair or done, boom. That's what it is. As a light shines and beams off it. But yeah, that. Also, we have the tools that usually come with it, the stickers, you know, and some extra parts that you guys need inside of there, but it's mostly just tools. The high-speed pinion gear inside of there, and stickers, and then the manual book that comes with it. But of course, you can go ahead and download that online. And yeah, I know y'all giving me the same face she just gave me. And her favorite part, the ASMR slow motion. Oh yeah, the remote. But we'll go to that after her favorite part. So go ahead. Slowly, how do you do?
One eternity later.
Better? Can I pop it?
Okay, so it looks like it comes with a DX3 remote. Let me see the other side. Okay, DX3 remote. ¿Mande?
What size?
Para allá, y luego está chocolate. So this is what it looks like right here. Got the Arrma Kraton. I like the color combination that they did on this one.
Because red is his favorite color.
How do you know?
Because you always talk about it.
All right, we're gonna take off the top right here. Let you guys see what the electronics look like. Oh yeah. So we got the new technology. All right. Arrma stepped it up with Spektrum, huh?
I don't get it. You told me about it and I still don't get it.
It's okay, we're learning. But yeah, you guys know what the EXB looks like. You guys have seen it in plenty of unboxings. Golly, it's been so long since I've done videos. It's been too long.
It's been so long since you talked.
Yeah, that too. But yeah, just let you guys go ahead and see what the electronics look like. I'm glad that they put a heat sink and a fan on here, and new actual hardware. I like that, so I don't have to.
Whatever this is.
That's the connector for battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, that part. That's always been on them though, but I'm liking that they actually still get to do a plug. Of course, the jumper plug. So if you have two 3S batteries in here to run at 6S. But I love all the EXB parts on here. With all my other rigs, I was always trying to find the hot racing or EXB parts, and it just gets pricey. So with this one, I love how Arrma went ahead and put everything on here, so the average person don't have to worry about doing it. But for people like me, a little advanced, and I'm a nerd when it comes to tech and loving to customize stuff myself, I don't have to worry about the headache. Nah, but
and you were still trying to find the battery for Tia's car.
oh yeah, and I was busy.
And I found it.
She had to throw that in here. That has nothing to do with the RC stuff. Nothing to do with this video. See, she will not let me live that down. Oh my gosh, yes, she is smart. So you guys already know what I'm going to go ahead and do with this one. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check out my videos in the link in the description below. I'll go ahead and leave actually thing right up there if you guys go ahead and click and check out that video where you see. Oh my gosh, she's struggling. Anyways, like I told you guys, go ahead and click that link. Oh, my hand. Click the link right up here, and that'll show you guys how I customized LEDs inside of here for the RC cars. If you have any questions, leave comments below. I do my best to respond back. A lot of people see that. I know it's getting kind of hard. Finally reached 1K, start getting monetized, start getting that YouTube money. Okay, fine, those 7 cents per video, if that. But yeah, go ahead and get this all taken care of, and see you guys in the next video when we actually go ahead and run it, right? She's like, whatever. Anything you want to say? She really wants to say, I've been cornhole.
No, you like corneo.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, deuces.